What's good, you guys? My name is Harsh, and this is the first episode of season 2 of the Visionaries podcast. So, by the way, our guests didn't know about this that this is season 2. The guest we have today is a very big fan of Tanmay Bhatt, or
हाँ.
maybe as he calls himself, the guy who made the Tanmay Bhatt video, Jaideep Dholakia. Welcome to the Visionaries podcast, bro. It's great to have you now.
अरे thank you so much Harsh for having me. Means a lot, buddy.
So, bro, why did you like? Uh, do you follow Tanmay Bhatt from the very beginning, like the AIB times?
Yes, obvious. Like not very beginning. Obviously from AIB. That's a old school. There's this whole generation or this whole age group which proudly tells the Gen Zs कि भाई yeah you don't know like you तो
Yeah,
अभी you got to know Tanmay sir because of uh, uh, Carrie Minati वैसा but
yeah,
we have तो been following him since AIB itself. So there's a whole age group, right? So yeah, I'm in that
exactly.
age group, but like not very from his writing days. Say I'm not
Ha ha.
following, but from AIB, obvious. From very initial AIB days, obviously I'm following. Yeah.
So you're like one of the OG followers of AIB, na?
Yes.
Yes,
Obvious.
same भाई same. मेरे को भी like I don't know about Tanmay but अभी recently but I haven't been watching much of his content right now. But AIB, oh my god, bro, that
AIB
was
is
just
next level,
another.
bhai. AIB is
I know,
next
right?
level.
The only thing I feel was that it was a bit ahead of its times. मतलब अगर अभी
Yes.
होता ना तो वो कभी रुकता नहीं भाई. To
True,
be
true, true,
honest.
true.
I'm saying that like I want to know more about you. Like मैं अपना research कर रहा था आपके बारे में and
Mm-hmm.
I'm like everywhere it's like the guy who made the Tanmay Bhatt video and obviously that's cool. That was like bro, it was pretty cool and I'm sure you must have been like overwhelmed जब वो live पे react कर रहा था
Next level,
about
that was a whole different feeling. Yeah, yeah.
what was it like when you
It
saw that?
was the whole journey itself have been so amazing. Like I even then posted 2 videos about how this whole thing happened. Kind of, I named
Uh,
it as how I met Tanmay. This is the like as a fan, this is the farthest thing which you can do is that like he reacts on your video, right?
I
So
know,
I
right?
made like I was getting this gut feeling while I was making this bot video, na.
हाँ हाँ
I've been on and
कि वो
off YouTube
देखेगा.
many times, on and off YouTube many times. And I was
अच्छा.
while I was making this video, I was as a gut feeling कि ये सब फटेगा वैसा वाली feeling
हाँ
आ रही
हाँ
थी.
हाँ
And ये तो
हाँ
तन्मय सर देखेंगे like वैसा.
हाँ
And then I posted it on YouTube. Like normal like any 300 subscribers channel would have get views, which is 20 views in a day or 50, I don't know.
How many
Fair
subscribers did you have back then? Like when you
300
posted that?
something, 300 something
Okay,
subscribers.
okay,
Yes.
okay.
300 or 400. Then yes, then I posted it on Instagram. The whole, as in just IGTV, I posted it on Instagram. My friend told
हाँ,
me कि भाई क्यों Instagram पर post करा पूरा. Just post it as a small glimpse so that people can then redirect and
drive back to, yeah.
you get more views on YouTube itself. मैं बोला
हाँ
अरे
हाँ हाँ
नहीं चलेगा ना. I tagged Tanmay sir and everyone, and then I have few tricks. So what I do is I even tag their fan pages. I tag specifically their fan pages who the creator themselves follows, by which it's
हाँ
easy to
हाँ
directly
हाँ.
reach to creator वैसा सब. But
Beware, you are
yeah.
just sharing your tips to grow on Instagram right
Arey,
now.
yeah, arey, it's just like yeah, it's just no, there is no special trick or anything. It's just like
Okay.
you know, right? कि क्या खाने से fat हो गए, but yet everyone ends up being fat. वैसा वाला scene है.
Right.
तो क्या हाँ, so I posted on Instagram. Then nothing happened. Then the next day when I unlocked my screen, I saw a notification that Tanmay Bhatt has liked it and also commented on the video that I was watching it halfway through, and I closed the video. I'll watch it whole on the stream when I'll react वैसा. Like, also just blown away. I'm calling my friends, the close friends. I'm
Yeah.
calling कि भाई ये
हाँ
देख क्या होगा भाई everything. Then the PUBG ban happened and everything. Week and two happened. 2 weeks जैसा उतना हो गया, and no reaction and stuff. Then we tried super chatting, but that's a silly of me. I'm making a special video on. So I'm making a video currently,
Okay.
which is on
Okay.
how to get raided by Tanmay Bhatt. So one of the tips also includes that, you know,
Okay.
कि raid night में जो super chat करते हो, you have to be either very unique. So because even when it's raid night, there are so many super chats. His super chats are like normal chats for him at that time, because he's getting so many super chats. And but yeah, again, I and my friend did it. Just we like many super chats went away, but yet it unfortunately he was not able to see it. I went on to went on to LinkedIn and tried to comment down there, because he would have comparatively lesser reach there, so it would be more easier. But yet nothing happened and stuff. And then just randomly, not random, but yeah. So he used to play Among Us with like the whole Jagrata gang, and far more than the Jagrata gang, right? 10 other creative poets and everyone used to play every night. Vesa. So I also used to, I'll comment and stuff. I used to go to his premiered video, which is scheduled, and then used to write there and tell like his premiere video, the video which is scheduled. So there is around like 100 people just waiting for it to be premiered, which is to be premiering after 4 hours versus sub, right? But yet 100 people would be there. There's a whole small Discord server which is created itself there, Vesa. So there are 100 people talking. Then I used to Vesa sub marketing kind of. It's not market spam, but yeah, I used to do that. But yeah, once he was playing Among Us with the gang, and I was watching it. Then I went on to do something else, either play game, I don't know what. And then I saw that yet he is playing and stuff. I just went to sleep. My friend told me super chat में, I was like अरे नहीं होगा वैसा. Let us आगे ये होगा ही, I believe, but अभी तो नहीं, I believe ये कुछ होगा. Let us all together forget the whole thing वैसा सब. And then I get a call from my friend suddenly at night. You get the feeling that I think ये हो चुका है वैसा.
तेरा वीडियो पे react
Yes. And I just turn on my internet. I'm in my bed, and I open his stream, and he's reacting to my video. So whole different. My friend was so much invested in it that he was just jumping around in his own house, all over the house. That he was so much excited, because he was like so I've gone crazy. And but yeah, that was
Got
just
some really
kind of
good
in
friends,
beginning.
though, in that way.
Yeah, man. That was kind of just the kind of beginning. Then then this like he reacted and stuff happened, and then next day or 2 days later, I was just doing some work with my mom, and I get a message from my friend. When I check it, he just have sent me some tweet link. It was of Tanmay Bhatt something. Obviously, in the tweet, it was not visible that what specifically it is, but it was of Tanmay Bhatt that I got to know because of the social media card which shows, right? So when I open it, then I realized Tanmay Bhatt shared my video which I had posted. Next level thing. Then again, just randomly. So I told you, right? I have explained this story in part of 2 videos. How I met Tanmay Bhatt, वैसा. And I posted the first video, and just randomly I again get a call. I was sleeping, my friend tell me, bhai, he's reacting to like this was not planned. My kind of goals plan was for him to react on my main video which I made, right, bot video and stuff. But then he was just reacting to the other video which I made on him. That is how I managed to do the whole thing, Vesa. Exactly. Yeah, then I got in his vlog and stuff. Yeah. This mic which you guys are currently watching, yes, Tanmay Bhatt ASMR mic. Yeah.
Tanmay Bhatt gifted you that?
Yes. So I just posted a story on Instagram. So I wanted a mic. It was some Boya something mic. M1 something. I don't know. Yaad nahi. It was some mic. So I just posted on Instagram. Can someone get me this? Right? And then suddenly out of nowhere, I get an story reply from Tanmay Bhatt. Send me your address. Address page. अच्छे videos बनाना. I was like, so gone crazy. Went like Tanmay sir
Crazy
himself
भाई.
replied to my
Crazy
story.
भाई.
Yeah.
Crazy भाई.
And when I got to know
understand the
later
feeling,
on
भाई.
that he told me that, hey, I'm sending you this mic. So basically, the mic which I had posted now, the story of, it was something of 4 or 3,000 bucks, ऐसा कुछ. But
Okay.
the mic which he ended up sending me was this one, which had at that time was costing around 12,000 bucks. So like he asked me that Blue Yeti chalega. I was like, well, I didn't knew. I had never done research about mics because like I had चाहिए था, but like पैसे है नहीं था ही नहीं तो रिसर्च करने का मतलब भी कुछ नहीं
उतना
था,
तो
right?
देखा ही नहीं है कि कितना
हाँ
का
वही
होता है,
I was like
Blue Yeti
हाँ
होता
हाँ
क्या है,
I'm okay send मेरे को कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है वैसा. And then he sent me and then also tells me there's a small note also in it. Do that thing and also vlog the whole thing. I'll add it in my vlog. I at that moment I just went crazy that I'll be in his vlog.
his vlog.
So yeah.
Damn भाई
So yeah,
साहब, I
the whole
understand
story.
भाई. So the thing I'm telling you that I understand that feeling क्योंकि मैं ना एक पोस्ट डाला था, ठीक है, something जिसमें क्लूलेस जो पॉडकास्ट स्टार्ट किया था ना, इट वाज दैट उसका ना मैं जब पेज स्टार्ट किया था ना, मैं थोड़ा थोड़ा क्लूलेस का भी जो पूरा एपिसोड आता था 15-16 मिनट का, उसमें से की पॉइंट्स फैक्टर्स उठा के आई यूज्ड टू पोस्ट देम एज carousels. So I got this message from Gaurang, first Gaurang sir, कि you're doing great, मतलब ऐसे बनाते जाओ. तो फिर मैं एक दो और भी बनाया, but then it was not matching according to the theme of my page, so फिर मैं वो छोड़ दिया. But वो गौरांग सर shared it and then even तन्मय liked it. मेरा तो like देखते ही हो गया था, मैं तो अपना दोस्त लोगों को बोला भाई तन्मय भट्ट like किया, and I'm like
that's the next level thing, bhai.
I know that, so I understand pretty well how you feel about it. But bro, how old are you? Like, what do
I'm
you
23.
do other than...
I'm 23.
You're 23?
Yes, I'm 23. I did couple of internships. I have done my startup. Essay, I'm in machine learning engineer. But yeah, currently I don't have a job. I'm kind of fully invested or fully into this thing. Which I'm
YouTube.
trying out. Let's see how it goes along. But yeah.
By this thing, do you mean YouTube?
Yeah,
Or
YouTube.
something
Yeah,
else as
YouTube. Yeah.
Cool. And like, what have you studied? Like, पहले क्या पढ़ा
Yeah,
किया?
I
What
did my
courses?
bachelor's in information technology, computer science.
Okay,
And
engineering.
then engineering obviously by then only I'm able to make this bot by वरना ऐसा idea भी नहीं आता, to be honest. ऐसा कौन बनाता है भाई ऐसा? It's an headache also भाई, because like I just not only have to make a video. I have to make a video also, and also have to make a bot. I have to code the whole thing, and then also make it easy for others to use, and also make it easy that any other programmer can also come along and make some improvement in it, and also be able to share it with other normal layman people, which can use it by just clicking on an exe. Usually, what things which we learn in engineering for any computer science. What have you done? आपने क्या किया है?
I'm doing, मैं अभी इकोनॉमिक ऑनर्स कर रहा हूँ.
Okay.
I'm in my second year, undergrad.
So usually computer science student को पूरी
4 years younger than you.
नहीं
So I should call you up.
नहीं नो ऐसा कुछ, बट क्या बोल रहा हूँ. हाँ, सो कोई भी कंप्यूटर साइंस स्टूडेंट होता है तो उनको वैसे ही सिखाया, लाइक वी कोड इन सम कोड एडिटर्स और दोज ब्लैक स्क्रीन्स, राइट? We code and stuff, and our output is also on in those command prompt screens and stuff, right? But layman doesn't know कि भाई वो ये सब मैं install करना पड़ेगा वैसे सब. You just need an exe, right? It's far easy for him. So yeah, वैसे सब. So it's kind of a pretty hardish thing. But yeah, I'm an engineer, and after on my last 4th year, I got placed in as an intern, as a machine learning intern at an fintech startup in Ahmedabad. I'm from Bhavnagar, Gujarat. Yeah, I'm at a fintech startup in Ahmedabad, and then I did internship for 10 months, and then I went on to start my own startup. It was in hyper local medicine delivery
Okay.
startup. Yeah,
Okay.
then it didn't work out, and then I went on to work as an content creator kind of an person at an edtech startup, and then I worked
Okay.
at an Pune-based edtech kind of a startup, but as a machine learning engineer, and here I am. Yep.
Okay. So,
Yeesh.
like, all these things, these startups, कितना साल लगा? Like, how many years were you involved in these startups? 2 or 3, whatever you mentioned.
Uh 2019 I so just 1.5 years. ऐसा भी कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं. 1.5 years. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
2019 I
Oh,
finished my this thing.
college.
Yeah, and 2020 I ended the first. No, 2019 ending I ended my first internship. Then went on to do my own startup in 2020. In the beginning of 2020, then went on to work as at this ad tech startup in IIM, and then serve everything Pune and stuff. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, that's cool. That's cool, bro.
Yeah.
क्योंकि ना I was fascinated by the fact that when you started that medicine वाला thing ना,
Mm-hmm.
because my dad runs a wholesale medicine business.
Uh-huh.
So like when you said कि when you started that startup about medicine delivery,
Mm-hmm.
how was it like? Means like what were the challenges that you were facing that you had to quit it? Because I'm genuinely interested in that thing.
The main thing about this thing na, is the business model itself. The whole business model itself is not sustainable. It's a really nice idea, but the business model itself is not sustainable because there are also and also there is no specific law as such for to sell medicine online. That there is no
Okay.
as such law yet, and.
Okay.
There are also e-pharmacies like 1mg, NetMeds, PharmEasy, if you've heard,
Yeah.
right? And
Ha 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 ha.
so what they do is they directly sell it from the wholesaler, but they you do it wholesaler से directly बहुत कम करता है, but they usually sell it from the company
Manufacturer से ही
itself.
उठा के हाँ
Yeah, from
हाँ
directly
हाँ
from the manufacturing company itself. So they can
हाँ
also but they don't. So my idea's main goal was to provide medicine in just an hour वैसा एक घंटे के अंदर medicine provide करना वैसा. It was kind of an plan, my main USP. But what there was के उनका was like के to deliver it in 1 or 2 days वैसा उनका पूरा होता है. Like currently the situation is that you order it and you will get the next day. So and by directly sending it from the manufacturer itself, they can give around 50 to 60% of discounts also. And also one benefit which they have now for the whole delivery chain thing is that they deliver like any of these e-commerce guys. Like if any delivery guy is going for delivery, right, he's not just assigned to just one person, but on his delivery line he can serve so many people. He has to deliver so many people.
yeah
So just one guy
yeah
for
yeah
so
yeah
many customers, right, for the delivery.
and then
Whereas
you then
for
you also
Zomato
have
it
to
is not
deliver
वैसा.
in an hour. That was also
Yeah.
the condition. I
Correct.
understand.
So that's where one guy is only assigned to one customer, one the whole
हाँ
ticket वैसा. One ticket, one
हाँ
guy वैसा. Whereas in
हाँ
here they yet can save money as and one guy is responsible for so
involved
many
in so many
customers
consumers.
वैसा.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So the main problem which you faced was the manpower. Like you didn't
Manpower
have
itself
many.
and the sustainability issue. Manpower तो तभी हो जाएगा. That's not a big deal if investor and stuff joins in. वो सो उतना कुछ बड़ा होता नहीं. Even we
हाँ
can
हाँ
start. We even kind of I had done in one सा demo-ish delivery which we ran because you need to have something to show, right, when you go
sure
to these
sure
when you pitch it in front of angels and VCs, right? But yeah,
sure
but the sustainability issue and no one is ready to put their hands into the current situation of there is no specific laws, and also there are multiple cases in Delhi
हाँ
and in Odisha currently. Delhi and High Court and Odisha High Court currently going against these against this these e-pharmacies, yeah.
E-pharma, exactly. Yeah,
Yes.
there are many protests going on. Like
Yeah.
even my dad was telling me about it. That obviously they are facing a loss because of this whole.
Yeah. Correct.
Especially the wholesalers, because directly market से ही लेके retailer
Correct.
या consumer को
Correct.
बेचा जा रहा है. So the
Correct.
middleman is getting affected, and yeah, my dad was telling that he joined some protests also. Like there were some protests going on and about it. So yeah, that's actually bro. But let's talk more about the content space, creator space. Since even I am new to it, ठीक है. It's been like 1 year जब से मैं कर रहा हूँ, like एकदम dedicatedly, and even you, I think, have been known by creators very recently.
Yeah.
So what do you see YouTube as? Like, do you see it as a business for you want to take it forward, or you just taking it like an individual creator sort of thing?
Like both. For me, I obviously want to take it forward, like and as in creator, and also. But in general, I believe YouTube is really an awesome place, right? Because it pays you, right?
Sure.
Instagram, for making reels, Instagram doesn't pay you, and that's
Exactly.
the worst thing. Which all the creators are currently afraid of. Shorts is that shorts people are getting views and stuff, because obviously new feature and platform pushes it, but then eventually then everyone like most of people will then get into shorts, because if you are getting success there, why wouldn't you want to move there, right? But the short, for making shorts, then YouTube will not pay you, right? It will just become in kind of an Instagram reel thing. But yeah,
Okay.
what were we talking? Yeah, YouTube as an place is really
As a
awesome thing.
business.
Yeah, because it pays you, right? And YouTube as a platform has also evolved a lot. Like you're seeing membership thing. They initially it was so hard for Indian audience to accept this whole membership thing. We had seen the case with the Bhuvan. We had seen the case with
Yeah.
Bhuvan Bam, right? When he had started,
Yeah.
like he was the first creator to introduce the membership thing in India, right?
He got
had
immense backlash.
faced
बहुत
backlash,
backlash आया.
huge. I know, man, I know. And currently, it is so normal now to have memberships of every creator.
Exactly.
But and as an individual
audience over
content
here-
creator, as an individual content creator, also it's an awesome place to share your work and stuff.
हाँ.
But yeah.
नहीं, the audience, Indian audience is kind of a bit fickle वैसे उस हिसाब से. Like initially तुरंत accept नहीं करते कुछ भी चीज़. Like I even understood this thing by super chats. Super chats भी initially लोग भेजते थे, and जो creator था वो normal chats नहीं पढ़ता था और super chats पढ़ता था. Even till today also these things happen. कि like the chat gets raged and they be like हाँ खाली super chat पढ़ो क्योंकि पैसा दे रहा है इसलिए.
Correct. I know.
Hmm.
I don't know. The whole super. अरे even I've seen when creator tells ना कि भाई super chat करके बताओ या फिर ऐसा कुछ करके ये super chat भेजो. Then yet वो he has to face या he or she has to face ऐसा some backlash कि भाई ये क्या भीख मांग रहा है वो सब वैसा सब. But they then obviously now eventually kind of people are getting up कि भाई नहीं, it's a normal thing. It's just a regular thing to say and वैसा सब. Yeah.
वही.
But yeah, there's
no,
this bad thing which I don't like about YouTube. Na, this 30% thing. Na, 30% thing which YouTube
The
cuts
30%
down. Na.
cut.
It's a huge cut. I'm telling you, it's a huge cut. I'm telling you, because I have got multiple 10,000 super chats which I've got. It's so crazy that people can send 10,000 rupees super chat.
I
Like
know, right?
10,000 man,
I
10,000.
know,
Can you
right?
just believe?
Did you see recently Tanmay Bhatt?
Yeah,
कितना
50,000
500
man. I was
pounds
like,
Oh
oh.
my god.
Bhai Sahab, you can kill it on YouTube if you have that much of money, man. Yeah, I
know,
watch it
right?
like that, but yeah. So
Oh
crazy.
my god. मैं तो देख के I'm like, bro, that is like, if not, then around 30 to 40% लोग का income होता होगा ये monthly 50,000
Correct.
rupees.
Yeah, obvious. 50,000 is an.
Oh.
अभी भी it is considered good. ये क्या बोलते हैं
हाँ.
इसको? Income.
हाँ, हाँ,
वही
good
तो
salary. It's
ये
considered in India
yeah
at least 50,000 is a decent salary.
yeah for middle
And
class
like
it's an kind of an as a good salary to start with वैसा yeah
but
so
what
yeah
do you
but
think?
30% ये YouTube काट लेता है ना which is the worst thing
हाँ हाँ
which I really hate of the that the whole 30% thing which YouTube is cutting down now. It's a huge because I was telling this 10,000 super chat with which if someone gives oh you can legit like when someone sends the 10,000 वो सब excitement everything comes in and then I get this instant thought अरे 3,000 तो ये ले जाएगा नहीं YouTube ओके मेरे को 7 ही मिलने वाला है ओके 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 हाय वैसा
But like my question to you is related है जो कि like what do you think कि like जब super chats आते हैं and all that ये सब होता है ठीक है देन वो एक लेवल के बाद आते हैं इन द सेंस कि लाइक जैसे तन्मय भट्ट हो गया ठीक है ही गॉट 50,000 वाला सुपर चैट ही इज एट अ लेवल जहाँ पे लोग देते हैं उसको लाइक सुपर चैट व्हाट डू यू थिंक कि अगर कोई भी क्रिएटर अभी स्टार्ट कर रहा है या फिर कोई मिडवे में है कहीं पे भी है व्हाट आर द की थिंग्स जो उसको लगेगा टू रीच दैट लेवल बेसिकली like since you talk to Tanmay Bhatt and like since you talk to many creators not just Tanmay Bhatt what do you think like what makes them different and like how should one be there
it's about reach and it's all it comes down to before any of these things it's come down to understanding YouTube in general because YouTube is going to see I recently made this one video about burnout video where I've explained this thing
I will come
is
to that
it's about that people do watch anything लोग देखते हैं सब चीज वैसा ऐसा कोई रैंडम व्लॉग्स इवन एनीथिंग कैन गो वायरल वैसे सब बट या नॉट वायरल वी आर नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट वायरल स्टफ बट लोग देखते हैं कुछ भी राइट बट YouTube needs to connect your video to them आपका वीडियो उन तक पहुंचना चाहिए फॉर देम टू वॉच इट एंड लव इट टू बिकम योर फैन वैसे सब राइट एंड दैट्स वेयर the biggest problem lies in that they are not making YouTube efficient video like it's yet I yet don't know any specific thing it's just like भाई अब मेरे पास 26,000 subscribers है तो now I can say कि भाई हाँ 1,000 subscriber करना बहुत बड़ी बात है नहीं but I myself have 2 या 3 साल लग गए थे but I had not even crossed 500 subscribers right so yeah but YouTube efficient video in the sense to get more CTR click through ratio and get more audience attention YouTube really wants that what YouTube really wants is that आप व्यूअर को उनके प्लेटफॉर्म पर रखो राइट जितना लंबा टाइम तक व्यूअर उनके प्लेटफॉर्म तक रहेगा the more ads YouTube will be able to show it to them and that's what YouTube wants it as an platform and if you are able to do it right then YouTube will promote your video for obvious and yeah so yeah it all comes down to making YouTube efficient videos bringing more audience attention and on also a small tip if someone want like कुछ खास है नहीं but तब भी YouTube currently YouTube currently really pushes long videos in the sense videos more than 8 minutes 10 minutes YouTube pushes you get more reach on those videos whereas in YouTube does not push that much of small videos छोटे videos उतना push नहीं करता because of which is more ads YouTube can show on longer videos. Now this is seen. YouTube can show on videos above than 8 minutes. YouTube can show more than one ad. Mid-roll ads they can roll in, and one of the reasons why YouTube pushes longer videos. And if you make longer videos, and also with longer videos comes the challenge of bringing more audience attention. More higher audience retention, bringing those continuous segments, more than one continuous segment, spikes and stuff. But yeah, then it obviously comes down to making good content.
This is what I face with my podcasting because like I have had season 1 when जो हुआ था उसमें 24 या 25 episodes है ठीक है with creators I have done podcasts with creators like Vedant Rusty
Vedant Rusty is like Oof, so smart, man. So smart. I'm telling you, यार.
He
Sometimes I
takes
watch his
the
videos and
YouTube
get
thing.
depressed. अरे मैं जिंदगी का कुछ नहीं कर रहा, bro. वैसा.
भाई साहब, I be like भाई इतना efficient कैसे हो सकता है कोई?
I know,
And
man.
he then enjoys his life also.
Yeah,
like
yeah.
being जो social activities रहता है उसका, social लोग के साथ social रहता है. Everything he does, and he makes videos also. And I'm
For
like,
me, he's
भाई
like that Sharma ji
साहब.
ka beta. I'm telling you, na. For me, he's like that Sharma ji's beta.
I know.
Who's always killing it in life. वैसा वाला thing, bhai.
I know, right? Bhai, he's got his day sorted with schedules, and I'm like this दिन मैं podcast भी कर रहा था ना उसके साथ. He's like, हाँ podcast कर रहे, ये है. He's very to the point and very abstract to what he says, because
I know, man.
like right knowledge, right thing, बस इतना ही, to the point. And like damn भाई, ये skill सीखना है मेरे को. And I'm
True,
like,
man, true.
हाँ वो करते करते होगा. But the point I was saying कि like उन लोगों के साथ podcast किया, so I see ना. Now जैसे वेदांत रस्ती, he has his own podcast, so उसका जो audience आएगा has come for podcasts. Like they watch his podcast and they will watch this one also because of that. And the thing which I face is that जब मैं longer videos बनाता हूँ ना, like my videos are generally 35 to 40 minutes. So
It's
it will be like
podcast.
yeah, so average podcast timing. So I'll be like 35 to 40 minutes. So when I do it with a creator who is not that big or something like that, or like I like talking to people a lot. I can like spend hours and hours of talking, and so I feel like कि ये part में ना अच्छा लगेगा audience को. But then I be like, अरे यार ये तो यहाँ तक है. Like suppose that part is in the 30th minute. And I'm
Correct.
like यहाँ पे ऑडियंस रिटेंशन आएगा नहीं आएगा. बट यूट्यूब जो मेरे को हेल्प किया इस चीज के लिए was that the time stamp thing which came.
Very true, very true.
that was the one which helped me for
Correct.
that, क्योंकि मैं देख रहा था वो टाइप पे स्पाइक आ रहा था मेरा उस टाइम में. I'm like this was the thing which I was looking for. But currently I saw your video YouTube break, मतलब you're taking a break or like quitting YouTube.
Yeah.
The title was obviously वो
मस्त clickbait is ना, मस्त था ना एकदम.
I understand
So
that.
main plan was कि पहले ऐसा premiere करूँ, ठीक है, ऐसा सब रखकर. Then I really love the Tanmay Bhatt style of changing titles. I so fucking respect it. Such man, I'm telling you, I really love. I am telling you, I really love Tanmay sir. I'm telling you, I have yet not. If you get a chance, na, people when like this is something even which Beer Biceps Ranveer sir, when he interviewed with Tanmay he took podcast of Tanmay sir, na. Like he
Yeah.
so I understand Beer Biceps and Ranveer sir himself is more of a, he goes into mental and spiritual kind of talks, and I was like, talk about career, talk about how he is able to kill it on YouTube, right? How? What's the
Yeah,
secret? He's
exactly.
like so
Same, bro,
genius.
same.
He's so
Same,
genius.
हाँ.
I'm telling you, I want भाई कि ऐसा 2-3 घंटे 5 घंटे हैवन टू स्नाइडर कट मूवीज टाइप पूरा just from the perspective of Tanmay Bhatt telling how he is able to do it, वैसा, you know, that how he
I
is,
know,
how
right?
is what like he tells, right, in many places he have told that after the video is uploaded, after upload 2 hours after upload, he just sits there and changes the title, changes the thumbnail if it's not performing. He just study his analytics. Okay, study, but what study? Just I want those kind of podcast. I really dig into podcast कि भाई ये सब जानो, ये कहाँ, I want to know these things. How are you successful, वैसा. Yet I have not been able to, but yeah, I really, so yeah, I had thought of कि starting वैसा I quit रखूँगा and then I'll eventually change it to YouTuber burnout. That's what what I have been seeing in that thing ना. But yeah, I just let it be कि भाई I quit ही रखता है, अच्छा CTR आ रहा है, चलो रहने देता है, वैसे भी.
हाँ.
But yeah, I've been kind of going through this burnout-ish thing. I feel
Since
afraid
how
of
many-
calling
since how
myself.
much time?
Sorry. Kind of
Since how much time are you
from
feeling?
January or February. It's kind of started like this thing. The rewind video we had made, the YouTube rewind. I'm telling you the amount of effort which we put in that rewind, the script which we wrote. It was such an task, and then
I understand,
people
bro.
then jump
The
in,
effort
or
was
people
completely
leave.
shown, bro. It was
People then
shown.
tell that I'll not be able to join. नहीं भाई, ये थोड़ा इतना ही कट करना, मेरे को भाई इतना ही टाइम है, कुछ एक दो लाइंस ही दे, राइट? So like we have made script so tight, right? And then it's near to impossible to remove someone or to add someone or to reduce someone's part, because एक पार्ट होता है तो
Exactly.
उनकी एंडिंग से वो डिसाइड होता है कि
दूसरा
कैसे
part
ट्रांसलेट
start
हम
हो,
करने
हाँ.
वाले हैं दूसरे पर, राइट? वो सब. But yeah, it just too much of efforts went into making that video. Then I was making this Whitehead Junior video, which took a lot of
Okay.
time. It's kind of a scripted video, skit, yeah, kind of a skit video which we wanted
Okay.
to do.
Is it a parody?
Yeah, parody, yeah, kind of like what
Okay.
happens when what would happen when when Chintu
White
had
Hat
grown
Junior
up.
में कोई enroll करेगा.
Grown up. Chintu but grown up, and a proper white background, and Chintu is interviewing someone. The someone is not shown के कौन है, but it's just Chintu interviewing to someone वैसा. Someone asked कि भाई, so you know Java, like मतलब वैसा, मतलब क्या वैसा वैसा, like there's so many puns we had thought of. At the ending, he tells okay, and then suddenly the video on the screen comes up. This video has been removed by copyright strike from Whitehead versus or by Jews versus.
Okay.
So it was really nice. We had scripted, and then the trend went off, right? Then we eventually didn't. We ended up not shooting itself. अगर shoot हो जाता ना तो edit होकर आ ही जाता, but वो नहीं हुआ. But then Sohani ma'am video which we made, but वो overnight बनाने का था, the Sohani ma'am video, and we want I had the first video which I made was this Krishna with, you have seen, right? Krishna Bhagwan is there as a character in my video. Even the Samay Raina video, the Rider
हाँ,
video.
वो ऐसे आया,
Yeah,
कृष्ण भगवान
yeah,
ऐसे,
yeah, right?
yeah.
So,
Yeah.
from the Samay Raina video itself, I had imagined different characters also I wanted to introduce in my videos, which I kind of did in the Suhani ma'am video which I made, na. So there is this driver, means the bot, the voice assistant which we introduced in this video. But just I made the whole video overnight. I edited the whole video and just because that's the birthday तो एक specific day को ही होता है, right? उसमें आप delay क्या ही कर सकते हो, right? You have to post it on that day. But yeah, I made it, but it was more often kind of a skit, kind of a video. Whereas in the first video was like in general these videos, recent videos have been of and process of making something really unique for someone. इसमें the Suhani ma'am videos was about the process, or it was more often skit and more often conversation between these characters. Me, Krishna Bhagwan, the driver itself, the rider, voice assistant itself. It's the whole thing. But yeah, so because of the overnight edit, that the whole part was, according to me, it was not that of an OP kind of a level which I wanted to be. Because skit is, I believe, skit. I don't know, man. I have not got that much of experience in making a skit. Like skit requires a proper cut to something, a proper this to something, a proper sound at that moment. तो अच्छी से वो feel impact होती है, right? Until unless it's a really nice acting. Other than that, you need to have these proper things. Why we love AIB videos is because they're so proper, sub everything, right?
Exactly.
And which I was obviously not able to do. But I made the whole video overnight and just there's okay, not in the Suhani ma'am's video, but other than that, every video have been after the Tanmay sir video, every video have been kind of a celebration. I'm telling you, legit celebration. When I post it, it's not just me, but my audience, everyone is like they have gotten mission that कुछ भी हो जाए ये वीडियो पर रिएक्ट लाइव पर इससे करवाएगा, किसी क्रिएटर जो भी जिस पर मैं इसने बनाया वो रिएक्ट करवाएगा. मोर हैप्पी देन मी वैसा. दैट्स द बेस्ट थिंग व्हिच आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस्ड.
How did that audience react when you uploaded that burnout video?
I don't know, man. Obviously, so I've got such huge support from everyone, and I've been more than support. I've been getting so many DMs and comments, and I've made this another channel also for live streaming.
Okay.
And people have been coming out and
Okay.
telling कि भाई video क्यों नहीं डाल रहा, we want video, we want Krishna Bhagwan to come back. And so yeah, that have been so overwhelming. But yeah, but there's a whole burner, because I have got really good crazy ideas which I have. But you know, ये एक चीज हो जाता है that the Tanmay sir video, the Samay Raina video was like yet a whole new milestone on it, and the Rider sir video was yet one more step ahead of it. And इस वो एक कैरी मिनाटी वाला सीन हो जाता है कि after that TikTok video is like people's expectations are far beyond the roof, वैसा वाला. And even you want to make that वैसा क्या crazy video, you want to make it, right? Then what happens is that you then end up not doing at all anything. You just end up कि नहीं ये अच्छा नहीं लग रहा, अरे ये उतना लेवल तक नहीं जा रहा, वो वाला कि क्वालिटी को ज्यादा ही इम्पोर्टेंस देते देते यू आर नॉट अपलोडिंग एनीथिंग, यू आर नॉट pushing out anything. वो वाला scene kind of हो रहा है. But yeah, I'm now slowly kind of back onto track, and I really want to try different kind of content which I really want to push, which are standalone videos. Videos where it is not on someone, but it is just as a standalone crazy idea.
Yeah, because I feel that
yeah, man. I also want to push out vlogs and
now
stuff.
I feel that it's the time that we need more of Jaideep now. Like, who is Jaideep? What he does?
Yeah,
and,
correct.
What is his life around like, and what type of comedy he likes, and what type of comedy he can do. Yeah. So yeah, it's good that you took a break right now so that you could understand अपने आप के बारे में भी. Bro, this thing I last uploaded a podcast 1 month back, ठीक है. उसके बाद 1 month I had my exams, but that was just the reason to take a break because I was so burned out. I'm like, I can talk to people, I know, I can approach everyone right now, okay, like let's do a podcast or something. I can talk to them, I can manage time with them. But the problem was like, I felt like, you know, what more than this? What more can I add to this? What more? So this 1 month that helped me to manage my podcast, especially as well as manage my vlogging thing. I have started making a bit kind of reels thoda about storytelling thing.
Yeah,
and that is actually helping me in the creative side also, because I just don't have to focus on the constantly conversation wala thing, sitting in a place and talking to people. I'm moving around the whole city, and that is helping me observing so many things around. So yeah, bro, my last question for you is that like a very generic question, very generic piece of advice for someone who's starting out on YouTube. If you would have told your like you said ना, तुमको 2-3 साल लग गया to cross 1000. So अगर you had to tell your younger self only कि भाई अगर ये कर लेता ना तो 5-6 महीना में हो जाता, what would that one advice be? One piece of advice.
It's for me, for my past me, is about making some really crazy idea-ish video and fast-paced videos. Because I told na कि YouTube pushes longer videos, and for longer videos then you don't have audience retention. And currently we live in time where people have a attention span of 15 to 30 seconds, right? That's why reels really work, right? And if you can then you like as in then content creator, then your role comes in to give that dopamine every 15-30 seconds to the viewer, right? So fast paced editing would really give in that thing. But also fast paced editing does not mean that then the context is lost and the people don't understand कि क्या हो रहा है, just fast paced moving thing वैसा सब. Yeah, fast-paced editing and some crazy ideas that would obviously work.
Right.
Yeah, for advice for my younger self, and but yeah, for someone else also that higher CTR, higher audience retention, give more watch time to YouTube. Now YouTube wants more watch time from you. If you will fulfill YouTube, YouTube will push your video. YouTube has literally shown Tanmay Bhatt's videos down the gullet of so many people. वैसा YouTube was legit ऐसा pushing like ये देखना वैसा every day just showing Tanmay Bhatt's videos to me वैसा You know, and that's what I really want. कि how can YouTube really push that much? वैसा कि भाई इतना कैसे हो सकता है YouTube? How can YouTube do it? It's kind of yet a mystery, but and also I want to add here is that what I want to do. There's nothing related to advice, but yeah, one tip. It's not a tip. It's kind of an trick, or let's not talk about. But yeah, the another thing which I really want to do now.
To me off camera.
Yeah, sure. It's not a good thing where I'll be judged for it easily. But it's not a trick also. It can be considered bad then easily. But Arani, what I want to do now down the lane is I really want to make videos like foreign creators. Foreign creators make legit next level videos by their editing. The ideas that do you know Arak?
Oh my
guy
God,
named Arak.
bro. You are like one of the first Indian creators जिससे मैं Arak के बारे में बात कर सकता हूँ. Bro, my God. I legit love his videos.
I love him.
I legit love
I love him, man. I love him, भाई. मेरे को ऐसा कोलैब करना है with तन्मय भट्ट समझ में आ रहा है like how we did with Logan Paul. I want to do वैसा to contribute and also make a huge wholesome content and go all in in a video. I have really so many crazy ideas of going all in inside just a single video वैसा सब to just go and purchase couple of billboards and stuff. I really want to do, but yeah.
Bro,
let's see how it goes down the lane. But I really want to make content like them. Yeah, they crazy next level content which they make. The next level editing, I really love the editing that they do. Yeah, oof.
It Arak, bro. I thought कि Logan Paul ही एक Logan Paul, Jake Paul ये लोग ही बंदा लोग हैं जो लोग extremes थोड़ा touch करेंगे. But then came Arak, and I'm like, हैं ये बंदा तो अलग ही है. Like Mr. Beast भी to a level बहुत extreme touch करता है अपना like इतना सब कुछ खरीद लेना. But for him it's very easy because he has that much of money he has. But for
and also it's more of money related a lot. For Mr. Beast, it's all videos are like as just money. Everything is related to money only. वैसा. Yeah. And Arak and Logan Paul, like you will see different. To crash into here,
sneaking out.
Or even Yes Theory videos, right? Yes Theory videos. So next level.
Yes Theory initial मतलब starting में वो सब videos नहीं आता जब pyramid में चढ़ गए थे वो लोग. Then एक Instagram वाला आया था that you tell me what should I do. Instagram polls में जाके India आ गए थे वो लोग आए गए. वो सब videos अच्छे लगते थे. अभी recently I'm not following Yes Theory that much.
I really now I got back. I was following them, but I recently came across this video and that have been I really love the whole idea and the way they have been able to do is that so they got someone from Instagram. They found someone who looks like kind of like Justin Bieber. Okay. Then also they give अच्छा सा makeup to him properly. For him to look like Justin Bieber, and then they take couple of photos of him sitting at a bench eating burger or something, but not properly eating burger in a wrong way, hot dog in a wrong way versus kuch, and then they made those photos viral, and then next week or couple of days later news channels were talking about Justin Bieber eating this thing in a wrong way. Vesa. I was like, man, that's so crazy. That's so crazy that you are able to do it. Vesa, the whole thing, and they made a whole video about this thing. I'm like, oh man,
Exactly, bro.
They even found this one look-alike of Ed Sheeran,
I've seen that.
and they went into Logan Paul or someone's this thing where real Ed Sheeran was also going to come, Justin Bieber also going to come, and they managed to get inside that the VVIPs kind of in launch, like even other YouTubers came and clicked photos with this fake Ed Sheeran, and they made a whole video about this, man.
I
so
even
crazy.
loved Airrack's that video जिसमें वो design का reporter बन के घुस गया था Jake Paul का fight में.
yes.
Okay, that's some ballsy shit. ये तो है बहुत ही
next level, bhai.
Yeah, so with that we conclude this episode because I know if we talk about the content space from foreign, it'll just go on and on. They have some crazy shit always.
Next level, bhai.
So yeah, thank you for coming, bro. It was great to have you.
Thank you, Harshji. मुझे बुलाने के लिए मीन्स अ लॉट.
भाई सच में बहुत कुछ सीखा from knowing your journey, your feelings about burning out, because I was going through the same phase
Yeah, man.
initially. So I literally wanted to see how people feel about it, and is it the same way I'm feeling? And it was quite.
There's a lot of anxiety
हाँ.
when it's burnout. No, there's a lot
हाँ,
of
भाई.
because you feel that are you really burned out? Are you giving yourself fake reasons?
हाँ.
Are you just being lazy?
Exactly.
And you खुद ही ऐसे anxiety में बहुत चले जाते हो. You self doubt yourself a lot at that time, which is just overthinking
Yeah.
stuff. But yeah.
Yeah, bro, I understand. So yeah, with that we end this video. I hope all of you all enjoyed this. Do hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. The link to Jaideep's channel and Instagram is down below. Do check him out as well if you haven't. I'm sure you must have. इतना popular तो है ही Jaideep. So yeah.
अरे नहीं कुछ popular नहीं है.
With that we end this video. See you to the next time.